In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of your Vercel-hosted website. Switching your website's URL can seem like a daunting task, but with Vercel, it's streamlined and efficient. By following along with this guide, we'll make sure that your website has the fresh new URL you desire in just a few minutes. To start, you'll need to log in to your Vercel account. Head over to the Vercel website and enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Vercel dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. It's essentially your command center for managing your projects. From here, the next step is to navigate to the project whose URL you wish to change. On the dashboard, you should see a list of your projects. Simply click on the project you're interested in and you'll be taken to its main page. Once inside the project's main page, you'll need to locate the Domains section. Look for this option in the menu. It's where Vercel lets you manage domain settings specific to your project. Now within the Domains section, you should see a list of domains associated with your current project. Beside the existing domain, you'll notice an Edit option. Clicking this will allow you to modify the domain. It's important to carefully enter the new URL you want your site to adopt. Double check for any typos or errors, as even the slightest mistake can lead to issues later on. Once you're confident that the new URL is exactly how you want it, go ahead and hit Save. After saving the new domain, you'll be prompted with a choice. Decide whether to redirect traffic from the old domain to the newly set one, or opt to remove the old domain completely. Redirecting is generally recommended, especially if you've already shared the old URL with others. This ensures seamless access for your audience and helps preserve SEO benefits. If, however, the old domain is no longer necessary or never widely circulated, you can choose to remove it. Having made your decision, hit Save one more time to finalize everything. It's as straightforward as that. Vercel takes care of the rest, updating their servers with your new URL configuration. By following along, you've not only updated your Vercel-hosted website's URL, but you've also ensured that its online presence remains strong and accessible. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident in managing your projects. Keep exploring and optimizing your online spaces. Thanks for tuning in and happy hosting.